In today's quick video, I'm going to show you how to connect Calendly to Zapier so you can create some automations, and this is very easy to do. And first step is you want to go to Zapier and you want to create a new Zap. So I'm going to click on Zaps. This is automated workflows. And from here, we want to choose trigger as on Calendly. So I'm going to search for Calendly. So let's say you want to connect Calendly to Google Sheets or Excel. So first you want to choose Calendly, and then action is going to be some different platform. And whenever someone triggers something in the Calendly, it's going to do some action, let's say, for example, in Excel. So let's say someone would schedule a meeting with me in Calendly, and this automation is going to send the data, let's say, to Google Sheets, and you will see in Google Sheets that someone scheduled a meeting with you. All right, so you can choose firstly a trigger event, and from here you can choose, let's say, Invitee Created. So triggers when an invitee schedules an event. I'm going to select this thing, and now to connect it, we just want to sign in with our Calendly account. So if I click on sign in, it will open this new window, and from here you want to approve Calendly for Zapier. So it's going to have access to all of those things, so it can update event type availability, create or update event types, and you want to approve it. All right, and after that it should be connected, so you can see my account here, and now we can create a new action. So let's say if I would go with Excel, Microsoft Excel, I'm going to connect my account and I'm going to create, let's say, add row. So whenever someone schedule a meeting, it's going to add the row with the meeting's details in Microsoft Excel, and that's basically how you can connect Calendly in Zapier. So if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.